What's up, my beautiful friends? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I created this shimmery blinding cut crease. So if you guys would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dipbrow in the color dark brown. For my eyeshadow base, I am just using the Shade Tip Concealer in the color light medium. Moving on to eyeshadow, I will just be using the Morphe 35M. And to start off, I am taking the shade FOTD. And I'm just packing this eyeshadow right when my cut crease is gonna start. I am using the Morphe E17. And I'm trying not to bring this eyeshadow up too high because I will be placing other eyeshadow colors. Alright, moving on to this Caquita green. It's in the color Nude Tude, and I'm placing this color using the Mikasa brush in E310. So I'm just packing this color right above the burgundy color, and I'm just packing it up. I'm not blending both of the shades together yet. I just want to make sure that that green shows up after I start blending both of the colors together. Like, I really want that green to show up, so that's why I'm just focusing on patting the green right now. And time for blending. So I'm gonna go back to the Morphe E17, the brush that I use with my burgundy color, and I'm not using any eyeshadow. I'm just blending the green and the burgundy together. And then I'm gonna take another shade, which is the Bumpy Vixen, and then I'm gonna apply that right on top of the burgundy shade, and I'm gonna bring it up to the green shade just to blend the both together. Moving on to the shade Fired Up. It's a beautiful orange shade, and I'm just applying this color right on top of the Caquita green, and I am using a Morphe M506. And also with the same brush, I'm applying the orange shade. I am also blending both the green and the orange together. Now I'm going back with the green shade, and I'm just packing on more of the green shade because, like I told you guys, I really want the green to pop. Alright, so since I applied some of the green shade, now I'm gonna go back with the Morphe E17 with some of the burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna blend both of the colors together. Like, I don't want any lines to show up. Like, I want everything to be nicely blended. And now I am blending the green shade again. All right, you guys are also gonna see right now that I'm gonna go back with the orange shade. In this video, I actually decided to keep everything, like I didn't cut anything out. In other videos, I do to make the video shorter, but I just wanted to show you guys how I blend on my eyeshadow. All right, moving on to my cut crease. I am using the Shade Tip Concealer in the color Light Sand, and for the brush, I am using the Morphe E35, and I'm just, just creating my cut crease. So you guys know I just apply a little bit of concealer in my eyelid, and then I just look up, and that just gives me a guide of where my cut crease goes, and I just basically filled everything in. And honestly, guys, when I was picturing this eyeshadow look, I was picturing for all the eyeshadows to look so nicely, like the burgundy and the green and the orange. But I just realized that with this eye look, I have some really small eyelids, and I don't have space for eyeshadow, and it sucks. I wish I had bigger eyes and a lot more lid space, but I don't, and it sucks. But yeah, if you guys have bigger eyelids, you go, girl. But I don't, and it sucks. But I tried, because after I applied the concealer, like, I lost all of the burgundy shade, and I was so mad, but I just went with it. And all right, to set my concealer, I am taking the Naked 2 palette, and I'm using this matte eyeshadow. It is one of my favorite eyeshadows because it's like an off white eyeshadow, and it just looks so nice. I don't know, I like it because it's super creamy and it's so pigmented, and I love the color because it's not just like straight white. I don't know, I really love that color. But yeah. Alright, moving on to glitter. I am using the Stila Glitter and Glow in the color Diamond Dust. It is my favorite because it's like a silver, but it's like a champagne with holographic glitter in it. I don't know, it's so pretty, and it's drying out already, so I need another one, and I'm definitely gonna purchase another one of this. It is my favorite. Alright, to create my wing eyeliner, I am using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the color Black. And first, I'm gonna line my eyelids, and then I'm gonna create a really long wing, which I think this is what made the eyeshadow look a lot better. After I'm done with my eyeliner, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and I'm gonna add some mascara to get them ready for my falsies. For my falsies, I am using the Bald Face eyelashes in the style Bring It On. And they have become my favorite eyelashes. I have worn these eyelashes for more than 10 times, and I think they look better and better the more times I wear them, and they get more comfortable each time, and I just love them. They're like super long, and the strip is not thick, and they're super comfortable. Like, I highly recommend these eyelashes. I used to love my Coco lashes, but then this ones came along and I am in love. All right, for my bottom eyelash, I am gonna take the burgundy shade and I'm gonna smoke that out. Alright, for my bottom eyelash, I actually wanted it to be a little bit more dark, so I applied a little bit of the Sparks Fly, which is a chocolate brown color. And then for my inner corners, I am taking this champagne eyeshadow in the color Light of the Party. And it looks so pretty. Don't forget to add some mascara to your bottom eyelash, and then also add more eyeliner to hide any eyelash glue. And for the best part of this video, which are these little rhinestones, I got these rhinestones on Amazon. If I find the link, I will list it down below. These little rhinestones are the ones that go in your nails, so they look super shimmery. And I actually purchased these rhinestones for Halloween because your girl wanted to do so many Halloween looks, but then I only end up doing one. But yeah, so I just added like 6 of them on my cut crease. There were 3 bigger ones and 3 smaller ones, and then 1 in my inner corner and 1 in my bottom eyelash. And then yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, leave me a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.